Hi coders and welcome to the complete Python series. In this series, we will be mastering the Python language. After completing the series, if our goal is to dive into artificial intelligence, machine learning, or data science, we will be able to do so very easily. If we want to build websites later on and learn frameworks like Django, we will be able to do that too. We will learn in such a way that even if you don't know how to write a single line of code right now, you will become a Python expert after completing this series. We will be able to write good programs and work on real life projects also. Now let's talk about Python. Guys, Python has been one of the most loved languages in the tech industry for several years. Many proficient programmers start their coding journey with Python. It's not necessary to know coding before starting this series. We will cover everything from zero to advanced concepts. And you will also receive notes for each video. So don't worry about that. Guys, basically what is program? Suppose we have a machine which can be our laptop or our computer. For example, guys, here we have a machine. This is our machine which can be our laptop or our computer. And on the right side, we have a code which we use to give instructions to our machine. We write code to give instructions to a machine which we call programs. So this is program. Now, machines don't understand languages like Hindi, English or Marathi like we do. That's why we use programming languages like Python. Guys, this is the logo of Python and we use programming languages to give the instructions to the machine. The machine can be laptop, computer or our system. We use programming languages to make a machine perform tasks, and here we will use the Python language to give sets of instructions to the machine. We have written our code in Python, which is similar to English, but machines understand a language which is 0 and 1. This is called binary language. Here comes a translator. This is translator. It can be a compiler or an interpreter. Compiler or it can be an interpreter. And guys, Python is an interpreted language which converts our Python code into the form of zeros and ones that machines can understand easily. So what this translator do? This translator convert our Python language into machine language, or we can say that low level languages that machine can understand it easily. And machines only understand binary language, which is 0 and 1. There are also many programming languages like Java, C, C++, JavaScript and so on languages. But in this series, we will using Python programming languages. Guys, what is this translator? This translator is used to convert high level languages, which is Python, into low level or machine level languages. What is programming and what is Python? So here Python is a programming is a way for us to tell computers what to do. Computer is a very dumb machine and it only does what we tell it to do. Hence, we learn programming and tell computers to do what we are very slow at computation. If I ask to calculate 5 plus 6, you will immediately say this is 11. How about for large numbers? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiply by 9, 9, 9, 9, 7, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. You will start searching for a calculator or jump to a new tab to calculate the same. But this is very difficult to calculate for us and it's not sure about the answer which can be accurate or not. So this series will help you learn Python from starting to end. We will start from zero and by the time we end this course, I promise you will be a job ready Python developer. So what is Python? Python is a dynamically typed general purpose programming language that supports an object-oriented programming approach as well as functional approach. So guys, object-oriented programming, or we can say that OOPS. This is advanced topic. We will cover it later. Python is an interpreted and a high-level programming languages. So guys, what is high-level programming languages? The languages which is similar to our English language. This is very important for us. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1989. So Guido van Rossum created Python in which year? In 1989. So this is important. So now move to the next topic, features of Python. So here are some features of Python. So the first feature is simple and easy to understand. So guys, Python is simple and easy to understand. Means Python is designed with simplicity and readability in mind. Its syntax is clean and easy to understand, making it accessible even to beginners. This simplicity encourages developers to write clear and concise code, which is easier to maintain and debug. And it is interpreted and platform independent, which makes debugging very easily. So Python is an interpreted language, meaning that code written in Python is executed line by line by the Python interpreter. This allows for quick typing and debugging since you can immediately see the results of each line of code. Additionally, Python is platform independent, which means that Python code can run on any platform without modification, whether it's Windows, Mac OS or Linux, making it highly versatile. So the next feature is Python is an open source programming language. So guys, what is the meaning of open source? Python is an open source language, which means that its source code is freely available to the public. This fosters a collaborative development environment where developers from all over the world can contribute to its improvement. The open source nature of Python also means that there is a large community of users who provide support, resources and libraries, making it easier for developers to find solutions to their problems. So the next feature is popular libraries include NumPy, TensorFlow, Selenium, OpenCV, etc. So Python provides very big library support. Some of the popular libraries are include NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Selenium, OpenCV, and also scikit-learn, which is used for machine learning mostly. So Python is rich in library support. Python comes with a vast standard library that provides ready to use modules and functions for a wide range of tasks, from working with files and data to networking and web development. Additionally, Python has a thriving ecosystem of third-party libraries created by community to extend its functionality even further. So libraries like NumPy for numerical computing, TensorFlow for machine learning, Selenium for web automation, and OpenCV for computer vision are just few examples of the extensive library support available in Python. So these libraries saves developers time and effort by providing pre-built solutions to common problems. So all got it? And the next feature is it is possible to integrate other programming languages within Python. So what is the meaning of this sentence? Integration with other languages. Python is known for its flexibility and ability to integrate with other programming languages seamlessly. This is made possible through various mechanisms such as foreign function interfaces FFIs like C-types and CPython API, which allow Python code to interact with code written in languages like C and C++. Additionally, there are tools like Cyten and Swig SWIG that enable developers to write Python extensions or wrappers for existing C and C++ libraries. This interoperability allows developers to leverage the strengths of different languages within a same project, combining the simplicity and rapid development of Python with the performance and low-level control of languages like C and C++ when needed. So we can use Python to integrate other programming languages within Python. So in Python, it is possible to integrate other programming languages within Python. So guys, got it? What is the features of Python? It's very simple and easy to understand. It is interpreted and platform independent. Python is open source. It also provides big library supports like NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and so on. And the last one is it is possible to integrate other programming languages within Python. So the next topic is what is Python used for? So guys, why we use Python and why Python used? So here are some examples. Python is used in data visualization. So guys, we can use Python in data visualization to create plots and graphical representations. And so here data visualization in Python, there are many libraries. Here we know that in the feature of Python. So guys, what is the library of data visualization? So in Python, matplotlib, seaborn, and etc. libraries are used for data visualization. So these features make Python a powerful and versatile programming language that is well suited for a wide range of applications from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and scientific computing. So data visualization means Python offers several libraries like matplotlib, seaborn, and Plotly that enable developers and data scientists to create visually appealing plots, charts, and graphical representations of data. These tools provide a wide range of customization options, allowing users to create highly informative and interactive visualizations to explore and communicate insights from their data. So this is Python used in data visualization. Why we use Python in data visualization? To create plots and for graphical representations. And this is the human tendency that we can easily understand any data which is in the form of plots and which is in the form of pictures and which is in the form of graphs. It makes us easy to understand. Python helps in data analytics to analyze and understand raw data for insights and trends. So, Python's extensive ecosystem of libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and SciPy provides powerful tools for data manipulation, analysis, and statistical computing. Data analysts and scientists use Python to clean, pre-processing, and analyze large data sets to extract valuable insights, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. So, Python is also used in data science and data analytics. And Python is mostly used in data scientist, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics because the Python code is very simple and easy to understand. While on the other hand, C++, C, and Java code, it's very lengthy code and it's difficult to understand as compared to Python. Python code is similar to English language code. So move to the next point. It is used in AI and ML. ML stands for machine learning to simulate human behavior and to learn from past data without hard coding. Python has become the de facto language for AI and machine learning development thanks to libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a machine learning library. These libraries offer high-level APIs and pre-built algorithms for tasks such as neural networks, deep learning, natural language processing, or we can say that NLP, and computer vision. Python's simplicity and readability make it ideal for prototyping and experimenting with machine learning models, allowing developers to train and deploy sophisticated AI systems with relative ease. So this is the use of Python in AI and machine learning. Move to the next topic. It is used to create web applications. So guys, we can make web applications with the use of Python. Python's web frameworks like Django and Flask empower developers to build robust and scalable web applications efficiently. These frameworks provide features such as routing, templating, authentication, and database integration, allowing developers to focus on building application logic rather than dealing with low-level details. Python's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of web applications, from simple websites to complex web services and APIs. So Python, it is used to create web applications. It can be used to handle databases. So guys, Python is also used in database handling. Python offers libraries like SQL, Alchemy, and Django ORM that simplify database interactions and make it easier to work with relational databases. So guys, relational databases means the data which is in the form of tables. For example, Excel sheets, the data on the Excel sheets and the data on the SQL files. These data are in the form of tables. And for relational databases, structured query language SQL used. So, relational databases such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, and SQLite. These libraries provide an object relational mapping ORM layer that abstracts away the complexities of SQL queries, allowing developers to interact with databases using Pythonic syntax and conventions. So guys, now we understand why Python used in database, web applications, AI ML, data analytics, and for data visualization. So the last point is that it is used in business and accounting to perform complex mathematical operations along with quantitative and qualitative analysis. So guys, quantitative means the data which is in the form of numbers. Numbers. And what is the meaning of qualitative? Qualitative means categorical data which is not in the form of numbers. So what is the advantage of quantitative data? On quantitative data we can apply mathematical operations and statistical operations like mean, median, percentile, quantile, and we can also make box plot using numerical data. And qualitative means categorical data. It is mostly used in classification, which is the part of machine learning algorithms. So guys, Python is also used for business and accounting. Python's rich ecosystem of libraries for numerical computing and data analysis, combined with its ability to handle complex mathematical operations, makes it well suited for business and accounting applications. Python is used to perform financial modeling, risk analysis, portfolio optimization, and other quantitative tasks in various industries, including finance, accounting, and economics. Additionally, Python's support for data visualization enables stakeholders to visualize and interpret financial data effectively. So guys, I hope now we understand what is programming and what is Python and what is this translator. It can be compiler and interpreter, and Python is interpreted language as we know that. And what is programming and what is Python? Programming is a way for us to tell computer what to do, and Python is dynamically typed general purpose programming language that support OOPS as well as functional programming. And what is the features of Python? So here are some features of Python and what is Python used for. So here are the some uses of Python. So guys, now certainly here are the key uses of Python across various domains. For example, first, artificial intelligence. So guys, Python is extensively used in AI, due to its simplicity and powerful libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch for building and training neural networks. It is used for natural language processing, which is NLP, computer vision, and machine learning algorithms. So guys, Python is used for AI, ML, and also for data science, DS, and also for NLP. These are the uses of Python for AI. The full form of NLP is natural language processing. These are very advanced topics. When you learn machine learning, artificial intelligence, so where you learn NLP. And also for computer vision. So move to the next topic, machine learning with Python. So guys, machine learning with Python. So basically why Python is used for machine learning. So Python is a versatile programming language that finds extensive use across various domains due to its simplicity, as we know that readability and vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. As we know that these all points in the future of Python. Here is detailed description of its application in machine learning, ML, data science, web development, and game design. So Python has emerged as the de facto language for ML machine learning due to its rich set of libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and Keras. These libraries provide powerful tools for building and deploying ML models for simple linear regression to complex deep learning architectures. Python's syntax is concise and intuitive, making it easier for researchers and developers to prototype, experiment, and deploy ML solutions effectively. So now we understand machine learning with Python and their libraries. So guys, what is the libraries used in machine learning? It can be good question. So TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and Keras. So move to the next topic. So here Python is used for data science. So guys, data scientist is mostly used Python language. So why data science is mostly used Python? Python's popularity in data science stems from its excellent data manipulation and analysis libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and SciPy. So guys, what is this library? If you are worried about it, what is library, what is Pandas, what is NumPy, what is SciPy, and what is machine learning library? So after completing this series, you will slowly learn all the concepts and you will be the mastering Python. So Python's popularity in data science stems from its excellent data manipulation and analysis libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and SciPy. These libraries offer robust tools for data cleaning, transformation, statistical analysis, and visualization. Python is integration with other data related technologies like SQL databases. So what is the full form of SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Apache Spark and Jupyter Notebooks further enhances its capabilities in data science tasks. Additionally, Python's flexibility allows data scientists to seamlessly transition between different stages of data analysis pipeline. So now we got it, Python for data science. So move to the next topic. So what is this Python for web development? Yes, we can also do web development using Python. How? How is it possible? So, Python is widely used in web development primarily through web frameworks such as Django, Flask. What is Django? Guys, Django starts from D, not J. So, Django, remember, Django starts from D, not J, and D is silent. So, we read it Django. So frameworks such as Django and Flask. Django is a high-level web framework that allows the batteries included philosophy, providing developers with everything they need to build web applications quickly and efficiently. Flask, on the other hand, is a lightweight framework that offers more flexibility and customization options. Python's versatility in web development is further augmented by its integration with front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as its support for web services and APIs. So the next topic is the next domain. So the next domain of Python is Pygame. So guys, we can also make games with the help of Python. While Python may not be as commonly associated with game development as languages like C++ or Unity's C Sharp, it still has its niche in this field. Python's simplicity and ease of use make it suitable for rapid prototyping, game scripting, and building smaller scale games. Pygame, a set of Python modules designed for writing video games, provides developer with basic functionality for creating 2D games. Additionally, Python can be used alongside game engines like Unity or Unreal Engine for scripting gameplay mechanics, AI behavior, and other game logic. So guys, this is the logo of Pygame. So this is Pygame. Okay guys, now you got it. What is how many domains of Python? Python for AI, Python for machine learning, Python for data science, Python for web development, and the last one is Python for game development also. So in summary, Python's versatility coupled with its extensive library ecosystem and the user-friendly syntax makes it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications including machine learning, data science, web development, and game development. Its adaptability and ease of learning have contributed to its widespread adoption across industries and domains. So now, what is IDES, which is IDs? So the IDs stand for Integrated Development Environments. So basically what is IDs? In Python, IDs integrated development environments are software applications that provide comprehensive facilities to programmers for software development. So guys, here are some logo of the popular IDEs. So the first one is PyCharm. PyCharm is a powerful Python IDE development by JetBrains. It offers features like intelligent code completion, code inspections, debugging capabilities, version control integration, Git, Mercurial, and support for web development frameworks like Django and Flask. PyCharm provides a comprehensive environment for Python development, including professional tools for both beginners and experienced developers. So there is my pen, this is pen, and so PyCharm is also very popular Python IDs, and here is also Spider. Spider is an open source IDE designed especially for scientific computing and data analysis with Python. It comes bundled with essential libraries such as NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib, making it a popular choice among data scientists. Spider offers features like interactive console, variable explorer, debugger, and integrated documentation, all tailored to the needs of scientific Python users. Here is also one most popular library, which is VS Code, or we can say that Visual Studio Code. Although not Python specific, VS Code is a lightweight yet powerful code editor developed by Microsoft. So, who developed Visual Studio Code? So, it is developed by Microsoft. It offers extensive support for Python development, though various extensions such as Python, Pylance, and Jupyter. And VS Code provides features like IntelliSense, code completion, debugging, version control integration, and customizable themes and extensions, making it a versatile choice for Python developers. And here is one also most popular Python IDs, which is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is an interactive web-based tool, allows user to create and share documents containing live code equations, visualizations, and narrative text. So guys, Jupyter Notebook is a web-based tool. It supports various programming languages including Python and is widely used in data science. Okay guys, got it? Research and education. So Jupyter Notebook is a very popular library. IDs. Jupyter Lab is the next generation interface for Jupyter Notebook, offering a more flexible and extensible environment for interactive computing with Python and other languages. And also this is Sublime Text, which is code editor for Python. Sublime Text is a popular code editor known for its speed, simplicity, and extensibility. While not specifically designed for Python, it offers various plugins and packages for Python development, including syntax, highlighting, code snippets, and build systems. Sublime Text is highly customizable with a sleek and minimalist interface, making it a favorite among developers seeking a lightweight yet powerful coding environment. And this is also GNU Emacs. Here is also Atom. So what is Atom? Atom is an open source code editor developed by GitHub. So who developed Atom? It is developed by GitHub. Like Sublime Text, it's not Python specific but offers numerous packages and themes for Python development. Atom provides features like smart auto completion, multiple panes, find and replace across files, and built-in Git integration. It is highly customizable and can be tailored to suit individual preferences through plugins and settings. So in conclusion, integrated development environments IDEs provide comprehensive tools and features for Python development, catering to the needs of both beginners and experienced developers. While code editors offer lightweight and customizable environments suitable for a wide range of programming tasks, including Python development. The choice between an IDE and a code editor ultimately depends on individual preferences, project requirements, and workflow preferences. So guys, now we got it what is IDEs and what is code editors, and here are some code editors and IDEs: PyCharm, Visual Studio Code. Here is also Sublime Text. This is Vim also, and GNU Emacs, Spider, which is also popular for data science code editors, and then Atom, and then Jupyter, and also Jupyter Notebook, and IntelliJ IDE, and Notepad++. So what is code editor? Code editor, where we write our Python code, where we execute our Python code. So we get the output. So in this series, we are using Jupyter Notebook. So why we use Jupyter Notebook in this series? So here are some benefits to use Jupyter Notebook. So guys, in this lecture, we are using Jupyter Notebook. And why we use Jupyter Notebook? So, because of interactive, Jupyter allows for running code interactively in cells. Jupyter provides an interactive computing environment where code can be executed in cells. This allows user to run individual code blocks cells independently, making it easy to test and iterate code snippets. Additionally, the interactive nature of Jupyter promotes an exploratory programming style, enabling users to experiment with data and algorithms in real time. So next feature is notebook format. Code and text are organized in a notebook style interface. It means Jupyter organizes code, text, and visualizations in a notebook style interface. Notebooks consist of a sequence of cells, each of which can contain code, markdown text, equations, or multimedia elements. This format provides a structured and visually appealing way to document and share computational workflows, analysis, and presentations. So next one is visualization. So it supports rich data visualization in line with code. It means Jupyter supports rich data visualization in line with code using libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, and Bouquet. Users can generate plots, charts, graphs, and other visualizations directly within notebook shells, allowing for immediate insights into data and results. And also visualizations are rendered seamlessly within the notebook, enhancing the storytelling and analysis process. So the next feature is kernel support. This is very good feature. So why we use Jupyter Notebook? Because of kernel support, multiple language kernels available primarily used with Python. Jupyter Notebooks support multiple language kernels, with Python being the most commonly used. However, kernels are available for other languages such as R, Julia, Scala, and more. Each kernel provides an execution environment for the corresponding programming language, allowing users to seamlessly switch between languages within the same notebook. So guys, if you are using PyCharm, so in the PyCharm here there are interpreter already set with the Python interpreter, but in Jupyter Notebook the interpreter called as kernel. And the next one is sharing. Notebooks can be easily shared and collaborated on. So it is also a good feature of Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebooks can be easily shared and collaborated on. Notebooks can be saved in various formats, including IP and YB. So guys, what is IPYNB? IPYNB is a Jupyter Notebook syntax. And in this syntax, you can save your Python file in the Jupyter Notebook. The native Jupyter Notebook format, HTML, PDF, and Markdown. So it is also a very good feature in Jupyter Notebook. They can be shared via email, version control repositories, example GitHub. Cloud-based platforms, example Google Colab or Jupyter Hub instances. This facilitates collaboration, reproducibility, and knowledge sharing among individuals and teams. So guys, these are some features of Jupyter Notebook, and move to the next feature is extensions. So guys, what is extensions? It offers a variety of extensions for customization and functionality enhancement. So, understand it. What is this? Jupyter offers a variety of extensions that enhance customization and functionality. These extensions provide additional features such as code folding, table of contents, spell checking, keyboard shortcuts, and more. Users can install extensions via the Jupyter Contrib NV extensions package or through the Jupyter Lab extension manager, tailoring their Jupyter environment to suit their specific needs and preferences. So guys, now you understand what is the feature of Jupyter Notebook, and there are very good features of Jupyter Notebook, and it is very helpful for us while we run our Python code here. And the last feature is educational, widely used in education for teaching programming and data science. Jupyter is widely used in education for teaching programming, data science, and scientific computing. Its interactive and visual nature makes it an effective tool for conveying programming concepts, conducting hands-on exercises, and illustrating data analysis techniques. Jupyter notebooks are commonly used in classroom settings, online courses, workshops, and self-paced learning environments, catering to learners of all. So, in summary, Jupyter provides a versatile and user-friendly platform for interactive computing, data analysis, and education. Its features, including interactivity, notebook format, visualization support, kernel flexibility, sharing capabilities, extensions, and educational use cases make it a valuable tool for a wide range of users, from researchers and data scientists to educators and students. So, guys, these are the features of Jupyter Notebook, and we are using Jupyter Notebook in our this Python programming series. So, everyone excited for this? So, guys, now we will install Jupyter Notebook. So, how to install Jupyter Notebook? So, just follow these steps to install Jupyter Notebooks. Open your browser and follow me. So, guys, open your browser. So, guys, open your Chrome browser. It can be Chrome or Firefox. Search Anaconda. So here is the first link, anaconda.com. Click on it. After click, scroll down. Here is download option. You can also download for Mac, Windows, and Linux, but here we are downloading for Windows. So now the download will start. It takes time to install. So after downloading, open your downloads, and here is option which is Anaconda 3. This is installer. So here is the option, welcome to Anaconda 3 64-bit setup. So click on next. Now just me, it is recommended option. Click on next again. So here is the destination folder. Now click on next, and here are some options. 3.11. So click on install. So now the installing might take a while, but should be fast enough depending on your system. All right. So download will complete. Installation is finally completed. So here it says installation complete, and then click on next. Here are some options. Everything you love about Anaconda now available from the cloud with Anaconda's fully loaded Jupyter notebook. No setup required. Get started for free. And code in the cloud with Anaconda notebooks. So now we will click on next, and this is default option. Launch Anaconda Navigator. Getting started with Anaconda distribution. Completing Anaconda 3 2024 64-bit setup. So thank you for installing Anaconda distribution. Now click on finish. Then once you do that, welcome to Anaconda is going to display in your browser. So now install Anaconda, but you can just close it. It will loading. You can close it. Now we are done. So now Anaconda now installed and downloaded, so we can use it. So guys, after install our Anaconda, now go to the all programs and search here Anaconda Navigator. So now click on open. So it is opening. It takes time to open. After open, here is the icon of Anaconda Navigator, which is show on your screen. So after opening Anaconda Navigator, here are PyCharm, Jupyter, Lab, Notebook, and many other many other Python IDs. And here also spider VS Code. So just this is the interface of Anaconda Navigator. And here this is Jupyter Notebook. Now how to install Jupyter Notebook? Just click on this launch button. So after click on launch, it will takes time to install. And after install quite this application and go to the all programs and search here Jupyter Notebook. Click on open. So here are some interface like command prompts, but this is not command prompt, this is Jupyter Notebook command prompt. So now this is the interface of Jupyter Notebook. Here you can see that it is browser based application. So it will open on your browser like Firefox and Chrome browser and any other browser. Now here are some already saved files, which is your laptop files. And now how to create file and how to run code, Python code in Jupyter Notebook. So here this is new tab. Click on this and just click on notebook. And now it will create a new Python file. Now what is this? Select kernel. So this is IPY kernel, which is Jupyter Notebook kernel. Now click on select and it just like that. Here untitled, you can rename your file. So here we write Python, or we can also write introduction to Python. So this is our file, and here are some options. This is file, this is edit, view, you can edit your files, and this is run, this is kernel, settings. You can also change themes, like this is dark theme, and this is default light theme, and this is help tab, and here are save button. And so guys, what is this? This is called shell, where we write our Python code. So first we write our Python code, which is print. So guys, what is print hello world? So basically when we start learning a new programming languages like Java, C, C++, JavaScript, we often begin by writing a program that displays hello world. This simple program serves as a basic introduction to the syntax and structure language of the Python. So guys, now we will write our first Python program. So just zoom the screen, comment it our first Python program. So print and then use quotes and then type hello and then type world. So guys, what is this? So this brackets is called parenthesis in Python, and click shift plus enter in your keyboard. So the output is here. So how to run our code in Jupyter Notebook? How to run our code in Jupyter Notebook? So press shift plus enter. So press shift plus enter and go to the next cell. So guys, these are all cells, these small boxes where we write our code. This is called cells. So guys, now the question arises that what is this print? So the print function is in Python is used to display the output of a program. It is one of the most commonly used functions for debugging and general program output. And this bracket is called parenthesis. And everyone, what is this hashtag sign? So in Python, the hashtag sign is used to denote comments in the code. Anything written after the hashtag symbol on a line is considered a comment and is ignored by Python interpreter. Comments are helpful for documenting code, providing explanations, or temporarily disabling code without removing it. So what is this comment? Now we can also add two numbers. For example, print 2 plus 5 and then press shift plus enter. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Similarly, print 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 4. No, 5 minus 2 is 3. So Python is very intelligent, and also Python is very good for mathematical operations. It can also give accurate answers. So you can use Python. So the next operation is 5 multiplied by 2. So guys, what is this star sign? This is called asterisk. Okay guys, and then press shift plus enter. So this is 10. And then 5 reminder 2. So guys, this is called modulo operator, or we can say that reminder operator. What is this? Remainder operator, or we can say that modulo. So the next one is print 2 to the power. So guys, for power we can use double star. So the output is now division. So how to divide in Python? We use forward slash. So the output is 2. So guys, division gives the answer in float points. Float means decimal numbers. Now, if we use print 4 and double slash 2, so the output is also 2. So this is called float division. If we want the answer without decimal points, float division. So division gives the answer in floating numbers and float division gives the answer without floating numbers. So here are some basic uses of Python. How to calculate mathematical operations using Python: plus, minus, multiply, divide, and what is this print hello world function, and what is this print function, how to run code in Jupyter notebook. So all we know now. Now guys, if you want to print your name, then how to print your name? So you can use print function, then use parenthesis, and inside parenthesis use double quote, or we can also use single quote, and then type your name Rohan and then enter. You can also print my name is Ria and then press shift plus enter. So what is this? This is the output of our code. Similarly, we can print I am a data scientist and then press shift plus enter. So here is the output, and then we can also print large statements like I am a Python expert and then press shift plus enter. So here is the output. Now we can also use print functions to calculate large numbers. Now guys, to calculate large numbers, so we can use print function and then type any number you want and then multiply and then so Python run this program very efficiently and very quickly. So here is the output. If human want to calculate this, so it is very time consuming and it's not give the accurate answer also, but Python calculate it very efficiently, very quickly, very rapidly and very quickly and gives the accurate answer. Now we can also calculate the sum of three numbers. For example, print 5 plus 9 multiply by 5 plus 9 plus 7. So here is the output, and calculate the product of three numbers. So print 2 multiply by 100 multiply by 1000. So here is the output. So in this way we can calculate anything using Python programming language. Now guys, Here is one most important topic, which is taking input from user. So guys, what is taking input from user? So here we can also take inputs from users. For example, a equal to input, and here you can write your name. My name is, and then print a. Guys, what is this a? This is called variables. We will discuss it in the coming videos, so don't need to worry about it. And then press shift plus enter. So here is the cell. My name is, and here you can type your name. So my name is Tony Stark, and then press enter. So here you can take input from user, and then you can print the input. So we can take another input from user. For example, here you can write I am a, and then you can print B. So after execute your code, you can write here I am a Python expert, and then you can press enter. So here is the output. So in this way you can also take inputs from user. Now this is very important and very useful topic, so we will mark down it. Go to this tab, and then here is markdown option, and after click on this, the color will change. It is blue, and then press shift plus enter to run your code. So this is our heading. So you can use markdown to make your text into heading. Okay, so now it will convert into heading. So in this way you can print anything. So quick recap: our first program print hello world, and what is comment, mark down it, press shift plus enter. Then here are some mathematical operations on Pythons. And guys, this is, here you can see this plus symbol. You can use this plus symbol to take new shell. So here we can write mathematical, or we can say that arithmetic operators in Python, and then click on markdown, and then press shift plus enter. So this is your heading. Guys, this is our code, and you can also convert this markdown into code. So this is your code. So in this way you can convert heading to code and code to heading, and then we can calculate the sum of two numbers, and this is modulo operator. And you can also print large statements to calculate large numbers, calculate the sum of three numbers, and also calculate the product of three numbers. We can also do print any name using print function. So in this way Python is very helpful for us. So guys, this is your question. Write a Python program to print a poem in Python. Please make sure you attempt this. Might be easy for some of you, but please finish each and every task. So guys, this is your question. Please complete it before coming to the next session. So this is your question. So guys, quick recap. This is introduction to Python. What is translator? What is compiler? What is machine? Machine can understand 0 and 1 binary language. This is our code. What is programming and what is Python? And Python is a dynamically typed language. Features of Python. Here are some features of Python. And this is Python is very simple and easy to understand. What is Python used for? Python has used in many domains. For Python for AI, Python for machine learning, Python for data science, and also for web development, and also for Pygame. Actually, Pygame is a Python library where you can use to create games like snake games and small mini games, tic-tac-toe games, and so on. What is IDs and why Jupyter Notebook? So these are the some features of Jupyter Notebook. Now all we know about what is IDEs. These are some IDs, and in this series we are using Jupyter Notebook. And how to install Jupyter Notebook, now we all know that about it. And this is our first program. So first program is print hello world, and this is our cues. So okay guys, so friends, our today's session is complete, introduction to Python. So friends, you don't need to worry about taking notes for this lecture. I will also provide the notes with the codes so you can understand easily. At the end of the video, I will say, I hope you now understand that what is Python and what is features of Python and about Python and uses of Python and why we learn Python. And there are many different domains where Python are using, and Python is one of the most popular language. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. So thank you guys. Till let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.